being that we're a working farm and we partner with the animals with their poop, and their poop fertilizes the soil, we have lots of partners. It's a great question because I probably don't know the answer at this exact moment. This is Una. She's one of our 2 cows. The thing is that we have a lot of rescues and we find homes for them. And so, for example, I could tell you that we have 26 parrots at this moment in time, but I don't know exactly how many chickens we have at this exact moment. People drop off roosters here all the time. Like, I found a rooster in LA, it needs a home. We have 6 sheep that got dropped off here, and then they were pregnant when they got here. So right now we have a ton of baby sheep that we're looking for homes for. So being that we're a working farm and we partner with the animals with their poop, and their poop fertilizes the soil, we have lots of partners. And I don't always know at any given moment exactly how many partners we have, because we're finding homes for animals and new animals are coming all the time. So I'll tell you that we have a lot of animals that we lovingly snuggle and take care of here, from parrots to sheep to cows to goats. We even have 3 pigs that we got from Compton. And don't make a pigs in Compton joke, because everybody always makes that joke. How long have I been farming? Not very long. I have told this story before, but I'll tell it again. I was a chef in a restaurant. I would come out and I'd talk to my guests and I'd say, come on guys, regenerative farming, it's the way of the future. It's what's next. It's what we gotta do. And I'd be explaining about how compost and microorganisms and soil, and I would explain and explain and explain, and I did not convince one single person to buy land and go get a farm. So then I thought, maybe I should get a farm. And so I got a farm. Initially, hold on. I got a farm initially so that I could really process the compost from our restaurants. And then that was just 2 years ago. So I'm only 2 years into farming. I did grow up on a farm, and so but it was not a farm like this. We just had an apple orchard, and my parents had other outside jobs.